Well, hello, everybody. My name's Philip Brown. I've got a pretty cool classic geometry problem for us here. Hey, we've got this triangle ABC, and we're told that if you take angle ABC, this one, and subtract ACB, which is this one, the result is 30 degrees, and our job is to find this angle right here, DBC. The way it's going to work is I'm going to give you a chance to answer it, give you 3 different clues, a chance in between each of the 3 to answer it if you like. Check the timestamps if you want to skip the clues. Anyway, we're about to get into it right now. So if you want to pause the video, give this one a try. Go ahead and do it right now, because in 3, 2, 1, I'm going to give you the very first clue. So here we go. First clue number 1, angle AMC DB, this one right here, and ADB are supplementary. See if you can use that to make yourself figure out what to do next. Okay, so if that's enough of a clue for you, go ahead and try the problem right now. Put your answer in the comments. If not, here comes another clue in 3, 2, and then 1. Here we go. Clue number 2. Clue number 2. Check this out. This is an isosceles triangle. The reason I know that is those 2 marks are right there. So AD is equal to AB. So those 2 angles, ADB and ABD, right? ADB right here and ABD right here, they're equal to each other. So there's your second clue. Go ahead and try it. See if you can figure out what to do right here. Play around with it for a little while. You'll get it. If not, here comes the third clue in 3, 2, 1. All right, so last clue. Check this out. Angle CDB, that's kind of ugly. CDB, that's this one, plus CDB is equal to ABD plus DAB. So let's put some stuff on here so we can see. So angle CDB, it's this one right here. And what we're saying is that is equal to the sum of these 2. And the reason why, of course, is because this one right here, and CDB, well, those are they're collinear. They make 180 degrees. These make 180 degrees. So this one plus these 2 is 180. This one plus this one's 180. So this one has to equal the sum of those 2. All right. Hey, time's up. That's your last clue. So go ahead and pause it right now. Go ahead and put your answer in the comments, and we're going to get into the solution right here, right now. All right. So first thing first, by this point, we're probably familiar with the question. I'm going to go ahead and put some letters in these angles right here, because the notation can get very confusing, and saying them gets all confusing, and you got the idea, right? So here's what we've got. We've got to find DBC. DBC would be angle that's marked F, and the fact that we're given is that ABC, which is F plus B, this one, right? So these 2 added together, subtracted with this subtracted, right? So F plus B minus C is equal to 30 degrees. That's what we're given right here. All right, so let's start exploring some of these facts, shall we? First thing first, D plus E. Well, that's a linear pair. They're collinear, so those have to equal 180 degrees. All right, that's a pretty easy fact. Another thing, this triangle right here, of course, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees also. So C plus F plus E is also equal to 180. And so what that means is, well, let's see here. It means that D is going to be equal to C plus F. And if you don't see why that's working like it is here, check this out. 180 equals 180, and 180 is D plus E, and it's also C plus F plus E. So those things are equal, right? So this thing equals this thing. You can subtract E from both sides, and then you can see that D equals C plus F. All right. So second fact we've discovered, right? D equals C plus F. Now, next thing, because it's isosceles, these 2 angles D and B are equal to each other, right? So here's what we've got. We've got these 2 facts right here, and we have this fact that we are given. So since D equals B, we're going to go ahead and substitute. We're going to say, hey, since D is also equal to C plus F, then B is equal to C plus F. Now let's take our original fact right here and see if we can plug that in and see what happens, right? So because F plus B minus C is equal to 30, and I know that B is equal to C plus F, I'm going to go ahead and substitute that value in right there, right? And then if you look, what's going to happen right here, F plus F is 2F, C minus C is 0. So we're going to end up with 2F plus C minus C equals 0. 2F equals 30. So F is 15 degrees. I think that's a pretty cool problem. And hey, if you are a math teacher and you'd like to use this question in your classroom, I've got it set up in a Google Forms quiz with all the clues. Students can kind of navigate it themselves, choose how much help they want or don't want, and answer it. I'll leave a link to that in the description. It's yours for free. It's my gift to you. Math is fun. It should be fun. And sometimes just providing kids with opportunities to do it fun is fantastic. Hey, in the meantime, if you like this kind of content, do all the good stuff that, the cool kids are doing for YouTubers, like share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. In the meantime, if you want to see a weekly problem like this, check my Substack. There you will also find all kinds of free stuff I'm going to give to teachers so they can use in their classroom. I've got all kinds of good stuff on my website on teachingmath.org, and of course a Teachers Pay Teachers account. In the meantime, hope you guys are having a great day.